Good morning, children. Today we begin second lesson, the friendly mongoose. Last week we have taken supplementary reader lesson 1, a tale about two birds. There you have learned how the behavior changes according to the company you live or you are having. Now we move on to the second lesson, the friendly mongoose, page 4. In this lesson is taken from the tales of Panchatantra. You all know that Panchatantra tales, they are all highlighted on the animals and their behavior. So here this is a story about the friendly mongoose, and the characters in this story are farmer, his wife and their small child, and they have kept a baby mongoose as a pet. You all know that we never keep mongoose. Almost we have pets as dogs, cats, parrot in the birds and any other animals, but we never keep mongoose as a pet. Here farmer had found a baby mongoose and he thought that his child will get a good companion to play with, so he brought the mongoose. His wife, farmer's wife, was not at all happy with it. She thought anyhow mongoose is an animal and it may harm their child. So here her character is highlighted that doubt is poison to mind. Why? Because she always doubted on the animal mongoose. No, mongoose was very friendly. It went on well with the child, but she had a doubt that it may harm her child any day. And now we will see, then we will come to the learning outcomes. What is that? Her hasty actions, how it led to her repentance later on. So let's go through the story here. We will go through, open page 4 of your textbook and then let's go. The farmer, his wife and their small child lived in a village. You all know that farmers live in a village because they have to take care of their fields. There was also a baby mongoose in the house who they believe would be their son's companion and friend in future. See, as you have learned in the first lesson that your company decides your behavior, same way a baby mongoose was brought to their house and that will decide how it behaves with the family. If you give love and affection, even an animal will reciprocate the same thing. But his wife was deadly against it. One day, the farmer and his wife went out leaving the child alone with the mongoose. Now let's see what happens later on. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son, that is their small child. They loved him very much. As he was the only son, they loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. Why do you want to have a pet, children? So that each child will get a company to play with. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. Companion is friend. This pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. Till now, no mongoose in the picture. They only thought of bringing a companion, someone kept a pet animal, and wife was happy to it. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. That is a baby mongoose, small one. It's a baby mongoose. See, a child grows as you teach him how to do. Same way, a baby mongoose also was given love and affection by the farmer's family. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be grown up. He will be a friend to our son. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. Animals grow very fast and it had taken it to its full size. A lovely animal with 2 shining black eyes and a bushy tail. So, the description of the mongoose is, mongoose had shiny eyes and a bushy tail full of hair, bushy hair on the tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle. Animals grow very fast, whereas the human beings take time to grow, and the farmer's child was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternatively. He would sleep and once he woke up, he would cry. So his duty was alternatively sleeping and crying. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. So she wanted to go to purchase something and she fed the baby and rocked him to sleep. Rocked him is in the cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, I am off to the bazaar. Off means I am going to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Why? She was having a doubt on the mongoose. So she asked watch, looking after, friendly. I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. As she did not like the mongoose, she did not leave him alone with the mongoose. You needn't be afraid, said the farmer. The mongoose is a friendly animal, and the farmer had utmost faith on the mongoose. He said, it's a friendly mongoose, you need not be afraid or frightened at all. The mongoose is a friendly animal, it's as sweet as our baby. So here the mongoose is like our own child. How much affection we are giving to our own child, that much affection we are giving to the mongoose, and same way mongoose also likes us in the same manner. It's as sweet as our baby, and they are the best of friends, you know. They both go on well. They are happy friends. So need not be afraid. He assures his wife that need not be afraid of the baby mongoose or the grown-up mongoose now, because they both are very good friends. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. He thought, anyhow the baby is sleeping and the mongoose is a good friend of his baby, so let me just go out and just have a watch of my fields. He ran into some friends on the way. Ran means he visited some friends on the way back and did not return for quite some time. Now you all know, whenever you meet somebody on the way, you keep on chatting, talking, so many topics will come across. Same way, the farmer also ran into met his friend, and he went on talking. He totally could not come back home before the wife returns. Now the second part of the story tells what is the reaction of the wife on seeing the mongoose's face full of blood. Now the second part is the farmer's wife returned home from the market carrying a heavy basket. Now here heavy basket means she had gone to purchase, so she has brought whatever she needed, fruits, vegetables and all. She found the mongoose at the entrance of the house with blood on his face and paws. Now children, whenever your parents promise that they will bring something and they go out and ask you to ask you not to make noise, not to fight with your siblings and all. And the moment you hear them at the gate, you try to go and visit and you try to go and want to ask them to come and want to know what they have purchased. Now here also mongoose had done something good and it wanted to convey the message of his goodness, but it went in the other direction. She jumped to the conclusion that it was the son's blood and the mongoose was the guilty one. Now we'll go to the next part. The farmer's wife finished shopping and came back with a basket full of groceries. The need that she needed in the kitchen, she got full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. Eagerly, the mongoose had done something good, so it wanted to convey the message. It was happy that it had saved the farmer's child. But animals don't speak. That is the only problem here. Animals don't speak, and it could not tell anything. It wanted to show his happiness, so it was eagerly waiting for her to come. But the wife went into hasty conclusions. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her. He ran fast to welcome her, as was customary. Whenever we receive guests, we go and ask them to enter, or we welcome them, and as was the customary. The farmer's wife, tradition, that is asking them to get in, come in. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. Blood, she cried. Now she saw the blood-stained mouth and paws of the mongoose. She cried, and what first thought came to her mind, little children? Yes, she thought that her baby is killed by the mongoose because she already had a doubt about the mongoose, that it is a wild animal. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. Smeared means full of blood. You wicked animal, you have killed my baby. Immediately she never bothered to find out, get inside and see. She was so shocked that immediately she thought that mongoose must have killed her child in the absence of them. So she took her basket and threw on the mongoose. You wicked animal, you have killed my baby. She screamed hysterically. Hysterically is very madly. She was blind with rage. Blind with rage means anger. She was with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries. That is, threw that basket with full of groceries on the mongoose, and the mongoose died on the spot. On the blood smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. Now, what must have happened with the children? Why was the mongoose's mouth full of blood? Can you guess? Some of you must have already read this story earlier. Can you guess, children? Yes. A snake entered through the window and it tried to bit the child. And as you know that mongoose and snake are enemies. So the mongoose fought with the snake and killed and did not allow the snake to hurt the child. So he proved to be friendly mongoose. But what happened? Dog poison and then hasty actions led to repentance. The baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. Then the mongoose had fought with the snake and saved their child. In a flash means fast, she realized what had happened. She came to know now that the snake is dead and the mongoose has kept her child alive. She ran out looking for the mongoose. Immediately she ran out thinking of the mongoose. Oh, you saved my child, you killed the snake. Now she realized that her child was saved and the snake was killed. What have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose who lay dead and still. Now she's crying over the dead mongoose. And then, unaware of her sobbing, the farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. She did not know what to do. The mongoose was killed, a baby is sleeping soundly, and the snake is dead there near the cradle. So what happened here? Her hasty actions led to repentance. Why did she do that? I should have come inside and seen what had happened. But there was no time, and she jumped to conclusion by saying the mouth smeared with blood that the mongoose had killed her child. And lastly, what was the result was painful. She lost the friendly mongoose which was taking care of her child in her absence, and even when they are there, it was a companion to their child. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went to feed him. She went to feed the child. And this lesson is over, children. Go through the books. I will give you question and answers through WhatsApp. And now, as you know that we are going to have slip test, whatever is being taught till now, that is the portion. Go through all the question answers, grammar part, writing skills, whatever I have given. And later on also I will be giving on for you all. And then WhatsApp message, we will pass you on the message about the lessons to be included as per CBSE rules. We are having only 67% which are included for this academic year and 33% deleted. So I will send